Hi, today we're going to show you how to record video and add it to your course. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. Alright, here's your project open in PowerPoint. First, click on the iSpring Suite tab. Then, head over to the narration tools. You can go ahead and click Record Video if you'd like, but using the narration editor will give you a wider range of options. In the editor, you can record, edit, and sync your video with your slides and animations, all in one place. Click Manage Narration to open the editor. It's super straightforward. Everything's right where you'd expect it. Just click Record Video in the top menu. Your slides will show up on the left, and once you start recording, your video will pop up on the right. If you want to limit your narration to a single slide, make sure to check the Process Current Slide Only box. If you're recording from multiple slides or the whole presentation, you'll want to leave the settings as they are. And here's a little life hack. Add your video script to the Slide Notes box and read right from it while you're recording. Ready to get started? Just click here to start recording and begin reading your script. After you've recorded the video for the first slide, you can move right on to the next one. Not quite ready? Just hit the pause button and take a break and review your notes. You can pause and resume recording as often as you'd like. When you're done with all the slides, click Stop Narration Recording. Before moving on, you can preview the video to make sure everything looks and sounds good. If you've got pre-recorded video narration, you can easily add it to your presentation using the editor. Just click Video and upload the file from your computer. You can insert the video at the current cursor position or at the beginning of the slide. Now it's time to synchronize your video with slides and animation effects. It's pretty awesome because iSpring lets you choose the exact moment an animation should appear while watching the video. To do this, just click Sync, and a sync panel will pop up above the timeline. Then, click Start Sync next to the preview button, and your recording will begin playing. Now you can see that the Start Sync button changes into a Next Slide or Next Animation button, depending on what comes next. When you're ready for the slide to change based on your recording, simply select the Next Slide button. Keep doing this to sync the whole presentation. Of course, you can pause and resume the process at any time. When you're finished, click Done. Want to make your content more accessible? No problem. You can add captions to your video. Select your video and click Add Closed Captions to generate captions automatically or upload your own file. Let's generate captions for our video. Select the narrator's language and click Generate for one clip. That's it. The captions will show up on the slide and below the video track. If you need to make changes, just click the caption text to edit it right here. When you're done, click Save and Close. Now you can preview your slides with the video narration and tweak the player settings. To do this, click Player and select Video Lecture from the drop-down menu. This layout lets learners see the presentation slides and speaker's video in the same window. Next, head over to the Design tab, click Create a Custom Layout. Check the box for closed captions in the bottom bar section and click Save. Now your learners can watch the course with captions. Let's save our player settings by clicking Apply and Close. You're ready to publish your course. That's it. Our video is now published and looks great. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.